Ever seen a car engine sit dead for 10 years, then roar back to life? Dead engine. Zero hope. Until today. From rusted bolts in rainy London to cracked seals in dry Arizona, thousands of people are reviving engines the DIY way. Here's how. What secrets hide under years of dust? Look for rodent nests common in Texas, Adelaide smell for mold or mildew from UK rain storage. Use gloves. Corrosion can cut snap a before photo for transformation payoff. Show shock at what you find. Clean start to the journey. Visual engine inspection. What can you learn before even touching it? Check hoses for cracks, dry climate issue. Inspect belts for fray common in old BMWs. Look for oil leaks under the block. Wiggle components to test for seized parts. Loop. Introduce mystery. Is this engine too far gone? Satisfying payoff. Realization. It's fixable. Battery resurrection. Can a dead battery spark back to life? Clean corrosion with baking soda and water. Use jumper cables or donor car. Test voltage with a multimeter. Replace if under 12.4 volts. Cultural note. Many Canadians store cars in freezing temps. Mini-win. Dashboard lights flicker back, drain the bad fuel. Old fuel turns to varnish, let's flush it. Siphon out old gas, smells like paint thinner. Replace with high-octane fresh fuel. Add injector cleaner. Shake the car to mix. Common concern in the UK. Fuel sitting during long winters. Fresh fuel. Fresh start, oil check, and change. This fluid might save or kill your engine. Remove drain plug, don't lose the washer. Check for metal shavings in old oil. Use synthetic for cold regions like Germany. Change the filter to clean oil equals clean heartbeat. Spark plug swap. Tiny plugs. Massive impact. Remove carefully to avoid snapping. Check carbon buildup. Gap them with a coin. If needed, use anti-seams when reinstalling. Tip. In humid areas like Florida, plugs rust quickly. Fresh spark for fresh life. Air filter refresh. Let your engine breathe again. Check for leaves, rodents. Vacuum the airbox. Replace if it's dark gray or black. Use OEM style for reliability. Quiet satisfaction of clean airflow. Belt tension check. A loose belt screams literally. Press center. A half. Give is normal. Cracks equals replace. Squeal equals tensioner issue common in older Ford and Peugeot model. No more screaming when it starts. Coolant inspection. Too hot to handle unless coolant's perfect. Open cap only when engine is cold. Look for rust or oil in coolant. Top off with 50/50ths per mix. Use local brand, for example, Prestoni in USA. Newland in AU. Engine stays chilled. Fuel pump wake up, the heart of fuel flow. Let's test it. Turn key to on. Listen for buzz. If silent, tap gently underneath. Check relay or fuse. Replace if no pressure. Will it prime? Fuel system online lives again. If you've ever doubted what a little time, effort, and passion can do, hit subscribe. Let's bring more dead engines back to life together.